Welcome to the first episode of Your Web Browser 101. Today I'm going to show you some basic features of two web browsers, Internet Explorer and Firefox. Let's get started with Internet Explorer, or IE. At the very top of your browser, there are two blank spaces. The first one is called the address bar, or the location bar, and you use it to tell where you are and to tell the browser where you want to go. For instance, at the moment the address bar says parkcountylibrary.org, which is the site I'm on. If I want to go to another site and I know the address, all I have to do is type it into the address bar and hit enter. The other blank is the search bar, which I'll tell you more about later. Below that you have your menu toolbar, which looks a lot like the menu toolbars you see in other applications, and below that is your favorites toolbar, which I'll talk about more in another episode. Right now we're going to talk about tabs. Tabs are to web browsers what slicing was to bread. They make your life a lot easier and a lot faster by making it possible for you to have multiple sites open in the same window. Here I have three tabs open: the library website again, and Gmail. To open a new tab, you can go to the menu toolbar and choose File, New Tab, or you can simply right-click on a link and choose to open the link in a new tab. And there it goes. Pretty neat, huh? The other bar at the top is the search bar. In this case, it'll let you search Google or Bing. Either way, it works the same. Type your terms into the search bar, hit enter, and you get your search results. IE is probably the browser you're most familiar with, and as long as you're using an up-to-date version, IE 7 or IE 8, that's fine. But if you rely on your web browser to be a real workhorse, you may want to consider Firefox. Like IE, Firefox has an address or location bar and a search bar. It also has a menu toolbar and a bookmark toolbar that work really similarly. And it has tabs. These are all the ones I open every morning when I get to work. Like IE, Firefox has a search bar, but it has many more options of search engines that you can add, as you can see. It'll even let you make your own, so I made one for the Park County Library system. I can type some terms in, and press enter, and it'll do a keyword search of our catalog, and thanks to some further tweaking, open it for me in a new tab. And that's all for this episode of Your Web Browser 101. Here are some resources where you can learn more.